Welcome back to Jack and Beans. It's only Beans today. Today we're making a catapult. You need 6 sticks, 4 bands, mini marshmallows or pom-poms, a lid, and a glue gun. So, you take 4, put them all together. You take a rubber band. You twist them if I can. Rubber band the ends together, like this. Well, there's one side. Then you take another rubber band the other end. We're gonna do the same thing with 2, but only rubber band one side. There, we're all done. But we need to do these. Do the same thing, but only rubber band one side. There, I'm done. Now all I have to do is pop this inside. You pop this inside. It looks like a T. Look, it looks kind of like a sandwich and a T. So take a big old rubber band. It doesn't have to be the same rubber band, but take a big old rubber band. Sorry for that. Do that. And kind of do that. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. But look, it's good, isn't it? Perfect. Now when it's all good, take the hot glue gun, take this. Ow, this is hot, but it's still okay. Make a tiny space so you can catapult. And I just need it. Do that. I don't know if that's enough glue, but I'll just keep it like it is. Oh, hot. It's so hot I can feel that food. Then you're done. Now take a pom-pom, tiny marshmallow. Then when it's dry, take a marshmallow or pom-pom. Then you're ready to fling it. Is that button? Like and subscribe. Bye. Oopsie.